Hi friends, welcome back. You are tuned into Tiffany Baby TV once again. Today we're going to be doing a very simple, very quick work sleigh. You may have seen that in my description. I am a working mom. I work in corporate America. I work 40 hours a week just like everybody else trying to catch a bag. In the mornings I have to get my babies out the door, so doing makeup and doing a whole lot of hair is just not in the cards for me. This is my typical makeup routine that I'll be showing you. It takes me about 10-15 minutes tops to put this look together every morning. This hair is everything. I'm sure you're wondering who I'm wearing right now. This is Silvana by Bobbi Boss. I have her in the number 2. I did cut her down a little bit because she was very long, but this hair feels like bundles. I love it. I went ahead and did the bald cap method, which I have another video coming for you. That tutorial will be dropping. That should teach you everything that you need to know. It is very in-depth and it's really informative, so you guys make sure that you check that out. I will also be sharing with you at the end of this video all the details about my upcoming giveaway. We will be giving away a Lena Long and also an Elba. Both of those units are absolutely gorgeous. Stay tuned, get comfortable. Let's watch this quick, easy work beat with me. I'll be back at the end of the video to share a little bit more with you guys. Thanks.
Okay, so today we're going to keep editing to a minimum to allow you to see as much of this process as possible. To begin, we're going to moisturize and prime our faces. Then we're going to apply foundation all over. I'm using a round brush purchased from Amazon to blend that in evenly. And as always, the products that I'm using will be listed down below in the description box. To give this a chance to start to dry down and to oxidize, I'm going to go ahead and fill in these brows. You guys, I finally replaced my Wet n Wild pencil, and I can finally confirm that the shade is Simma Brown. Now, for a full beat, you know I'd use concealer to carve these out and to clean these brows up, but for a quick work sleigh, freehand is good enough. And then you're just going to use a spoolie to smooth that out. After that, you are ready for concealer. I swipe this on all areas of my face that I want to accentuate. I'm going to blend that in with my beauty blender. Now, I always use this damp, but I didn't have any water handy, so I just lightly sprayed my sponge with setting spray. I'm pressing that product gently in, and I'm using it carefully to blend out any lines. Now again, this is at full speed, and this isn't sped up at all. This is real-time blending. As always, I'm using my Sacha Butter powder to set that. I'm applying a light, naturally colored drugstore blush to bring some color back onto my face. I'm not going to be using any contour, so I'm making sure that I hit my cheeks and also the apples of my cheeks and anywhere that I would naturally blush. My Juvia's Place palette is my go-to highlighter right now, so I'm dusting that on my nose and my cheekbones. Now, here's one of my favorite eyeshadow tricks. If you really want to brighten up your eye, use a neutral shimmer shade in your inner eye corners, just like this. It really makes your eyes just look really fresh, especially at 7 o'clock in the morning. Next, I'm going to quickly line my lips with Pretty in Mink. This is another Wet n Wild color that I picked up. Now I'm going to line my eyes. I'm actually tight lining them with the L'Oreal Infallible eyeliner, and then I'm going to go over the top of that with my favorite liquid liner. I really think that that helps to set the liner the best for full day wear. All right, honey, we're almost ready. We got to get out that door. That bus is coming. We got to get these kids together. All right, so I'm obsessed with this MAC mascara right now, and I like to curl the brush around the bottoms and the tops of my lashes to get maximum volume. My mama actually taught me that trick. Shout out to my mama. And I'm going to now set everything using my dual finish pressed powder and making sure to get my neck and to completely blend out that blush and highlighter. To complete this look, I am sliding on the original Glass Bomb by Fenty. I'm using the brush to smooth out and drag that brown lip liner into the gloss to give it a nice fleshy toned color. Last but not least, I'm using a Fenty Matchstick to highlight my nose. When you're done, you gotta set it so you can keep this beat flawless for the next 8 hours, honey.
That's all for right now, friends. I appreciate, as always, you spending some time with me today on Tiffany Baby TV. I hope this tutorial was helpful and informative to you. If you have any questions, leave them below. Make sure that you enter my giveaway so that you can receive one of those beautiful units, and then I'll teach you how to slay it too. Here are the giveaway rules. First and foremost, you're going to make sure that you are subscribed to Tiffany Baby TV. After you are subscribed to my channel, you need to follow me on Instagram as well. I am on Instagram as Tiffany Baby. I'll leave a link down below so that you can easily hop over to my page. After you are following me on both places, the last thing that you need to do is comment down below either Lena or Elba and let me know which wig you want to be eligible to win. When we reach 500 subscribers, we will choose 2 random winners who must reside in the US for shipping purposes to receive one of those units. I'm so excited to give those units away, and we're in the push for 500, so I'm very, very much looking forward to blessing one of my friends in Tiffany Baby Land with one of those beautiful wigs. Both of those are in natural black colors, so you can definitely rest assured that you will be getting a proper slay. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good rest of your day. Bye, loves.